In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT Incognito mode. If you've ever wanted to ask something quick without cluttering your chat history, or you just prefer a more private, one-off conversation, ChatGPT has a built-in option often called Incognito mode. In the app and on the web, it's officially referred to as temporary chats. This creates a session that stays out of your visible conversation list, so you can focus on the task at hand and move on when you're done. Here's how to turn it on during a new conversation. Open ChatGPT and head to the top right area where you normally start a new chat. Click New Chat. Right there, you'll see a small outline icon shaped like a speech bubble. Select that icon to enable a temporary chat. That's all it takes. Once it's on, you're in a temporary session designed to keep this exchange separate from your regular chat history. You'll typically notice a clear visual cue that you're in a temporary conversation, something that helps you confirm it's active before you begin typing. From here, use ChatGPT exactly as you normally would. Ask your question, iterate on the answer, and refine your prompt. The difference is simply that this conversation won't be saved to your visible history list. A quick tip: because temporary chats aren't meant to stick around in your history, make sure to save anything important before you leave the session. If you get a great response, copy it to your notes, paste it into a document, or store it wherever you keep your work. Think of this mode like a whiteboard you plan to erase. Super useful in the moment, but not designed for long-term storage. Temporary chats are ideal when you're exploring ideas, drafting quick outlines, or testing prompts without building up a long list of conversations. They can also help you keep your main workspace tidy by separating short-lived questions from ongoing projects. A quick privacy note: temporary chats are about keeping this exchange out of your visible chat history. They don't replace good security practices, and they don't control how your device, browser, or organization logs activity. Use them for convenience and tidiness, not as a guarantee of anonymity. That's it. Open a new chat. Look for the speech bubble outline icon in the top right, click it to turn on a temporary chat, and you're ready to go. Save what matters before you close, and enjoy a cleaner, more focused ChatGPT experience.